cute. I had to do a little preview, see what it's gonna look like. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. What's up, gang? And I'm back at y'all with another video, another hair video. I'm gonna be focused on my hair lately. If y'all recognize these parts, it is from my Bantu knot video. You should go check it out. But I really didn't feel like doing like serious like parts, like rectangle parts, and I was like, why not? Triangle parts are cute and they're, big enough. I feel like, yeah, this is going to turn out really cute. But I'm gonna be doing knotless twists using the rubber band method. So grab your gel, your brush, your comb, your rubber bands, and your hair, and let's get started. So today I'm gonna be using this water wave hair. I really don't know how to pronounce that brand. All I know is it's TWIST. I think that's what that says, TWIST. And this is water wave, and I have it in 18-inch. I'm probably gonna be using 2 packs of these, and I got a pack of Go-Gurt Curl. And just plain black, and I'm gonna be using it to split it up so I don't have to use too much of the water wave, because that hair is $7 a piece, so I was like, we gonna make do with 2. Okay, so get your parts. I got my parts kind of already. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pretty much just moisturize my hair real fast. Like, I'm gonna moisturize every part, like every single time. Okay, so now that I got my hair party, I'm going to take some jam. Let's jam. And I'm apply some of that around the base. And I like this because it kind of just smooths into the hair, like, and it never really leaves like ashiness, nothing like that. So yeah, I'm gonna just smooth that around the perimeter. Take your rubber band, get it as tight as possible. Okay, so with this step, you can either add your rubber band on first and crochet your hair through, or you can part your hair in 2, sit the hair on top, and then put the rubber band. I'm gonna show you the other way, but this is how I like to do it, the rubber band first. To me, it's just easier. But I take a little piece of hair, 1 strand, and I take 2 strands of the water wave, and then I just go through and I separate to get it fluffy and kind of messy-ish when I'm twisting. And I'm gonna just take my crochet hook and stick it through one side. Apply the hair onto my latch and slide through. Only one side really needs to go through, so let's just pull one side. And there you go. So now this is a similar method to how I did my Bantu knot. See, I keep referring to those. Maybe you should go watch them, because it's kind of really the same. It's the same, almost the same as doing this, but except I don't twist it into Bantu knots. Like, these videos are almost the same. except I just leave it at the twist instead of going to the back 2 knots. But yeah, this is just one of the many methods that you can do. So after you twist it in, you're gonna make sure to separate it the right way. So since I crocheted in like this, I'm gonna make sure to split my hair like that. Make sure to split it like this and match it up with the side like that. And then we're gonna start to twist. So make sure when you twist, you're tucking the hair, twisting to keep it from getting messy. And you do that all the way to the end of your natural hair. And then once you get probably an inch or 2 past your natural hair, then you can start like getting messy with it. You know, if you want a messy look. And once you get to the end, it should start to like naturally loosen up. That's why you twist tight in the beginning, so like it doesn't just unravel. Okay, so after I got my hair separated, the second method is, where's my comb? Oh, there you go. Okay, so the second method is to part it into, I really didn't need my comb, but okay. And then set the hair in the middle. This way you don't have to crochet it through. Take the hair and put a ribbon around it. The reason I don't like this method is because I can't really get my edges as slicked as I really want them, so they're kind of just like but it still works if you don't have a crochet needle. But yeah, I like to do it the other way so I can get the part really slick and smooth. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this down because I don't like that. But if you want your parts and you're not really concerned about how neat it is, or like if you want it to look more natural, then go for that. But me, I want my stuff to be slicked. Okay guys, so this is the final result and I'm kind of loving it. It's like messy, but at the same time, it's cute. So yeah, so since I don't have a middle part, it either goes to this side. It has a problem with wanting to attach my jewelry, by the way. Like, come on now. Come on. Like, we not finna start this. Like, it didn't pull the earring all the way out my ear. And the back. Like, how you do that? How do you do that? But anyways, yeah, like I was saying, it either goes to this side and it's like, it's kind of like a middle part, but off a little. Or it goes to this side and it's like a little, it's like a little oomph. Don't know what it's called, but you know what I mean. Could go to this side, but you feel me? It don't matter. I like the other side better, but either way, guys, cute all around. This is what the back looks like. Yeah. Part still not messy because like the part's still not too clean because like the whole point of doing Knotless is what did I just say? Like, okay, so the whole point of doing like knotless is for it to look like it's coming on my scalp. And I know good and well my scalp don't look just like flat. Like my hair does not, it don't do all that. No. So this is what it kind of would look like if I did just do like twist out my head. But yeah, messy. Real cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. If y'all really messing with me, like, if y'all messing with it, like, hey, if y'all want to see more of me, hit that notification bell, guys. Do me a big favor, but yay! And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Peace.